Yeah. Can I be honest? I don't think I fell for your beauty. I think I fell for the little things you don't even notice. You always say I'm okay before anybody too close, then laugh a little louder, like nobody's supposed to know. You wear confidence like perfume, but I can tell when it's running low, cause the strongest people in the room usually carry the quietest storms in you. You say sorry to the waiter when they bring somebody else drink. You still call your mama when you're happy, you still overthink. You still look out the window when your favorite song comes on, like a little piece your heart is searching for where it belongs. Maybe that's the part of you nobody else sees, but somehow it's the part that keeps undoing me. I don't wanna be the guy who buys the biggest diamond to write your name across the sky. I wanna be the one you call when the whole world gets too loud, the one who know you're quiet without you saying it out loud. I don't wanna be your almost, or your maybe, or your what could have been. I just wanna be the last new face you ever have to let in. I just wanna be your man. You got that kind of heart that leaves the porch light on for people who forgot your birthday or only call when something's wrong. You forgive too easy, you stay too long. You water flowers in gardens that ain't yours, and maybe that's why I look away, cause everybody wants your smile, but I wonder who protects it at the end of the day. If I had one wish, it wouldn't be money or fame. I just wanna be the reason you never doubt yourself again. Cause I know the world keeps teaching people love loudly, but I think the deepest love is the kind that stays. I don't wanna be the fire that disappears into the night. I wanna be the kitchen light, cause it feels like home. I don't wanna promise forever, like it's some easy thing to do when up every morning keep choosing you. I don't wanna be the story you tell when love goes wrong. I wanna be the quiet that it was real all along, baby. I just wanna be your man. And if one day your hair turns silver and mine disappears, if our favorite songs sound old and the years leave little lines around your eyes, I swear I'll still look at you like I did the first time, like the whole world stopped just to let me watch you smile. I don't wanna save your life, I know you can fight your own wars, baby. I don't need to hold your hand if at the end of all my days I get to call you mine. Then every road, every heartbreak, wrong turn was part of the plan, just so I could be your man. Maybe that's all love really is, finding one person and making them feel like they never have to face the world alone again.